Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by reducing the largest drain, the display. Lower brightness to about 30%, 50%, or turn on adaptive brightness so the screen matches ambient light. Once done, switch to system dark mode and a dark wallpaper to cut OLED/AMOLED power use. This saves energy per pixel. Make sure to close background apps and disable push sync for non-essential accounts, because fewer wake-ups means the screen can stay on longer when you need it. Now you tune deeper settings that directly stretch runtime. Drop the refresh rate from 120 Hz to 60 Hz or 90 Hz. Smoother visuals cost battery. Next, shorten screen timeout to 30-60 seconds for idle periods so the screen sleeps faster between interactions. Turn off always-on display and unnecessary sensors like NFC, Bluetooth, or location when not needed, because those keep the system active, and finish by shaping habits and having fallbacks. Enable battery saver or low power mode during long days. It throttles background activity and keeps the screen usable longer. Carry a compact power bank for extended sessions and enable partial charging profiles to preserve battery health, which keeps screen time consistent over months. If you still see poor screen time, check battery health and app level usage in settings. Uninstall or restrict any app that shows unusually high foreground or background consumption, and reboot to clear hung services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.